Hello friends, Deep Diamond India has announced its September 2025 quarterly results, and this quarter's numbers show impressive growth and a clear shift toward a stronger financial position. Revenue and profit both jumped sharply year on year, and the company's balance sheet has expanded steadily. Let's break down how this diamond and jewelry player performed and what it means for investors. For the September quarter, Deep Diamond reported revenue of about 335 crores, compared to just 3 crores in the same quarter last year. That is a massive tenfold increase in sales year on year. If you look at the half year picture, revenue stood at 35 crores versus 8.1 crores in the same period last year, a clear sign that the business has scaled up significantly over the past 12 months. The company earns mainly from its pharmaceutical business, which contributed the entire 33.5 crores this quarter. The jewelry segment, which earlier formed part of its operations, remained inactive this quarter, showing a shift in focus toward pharma distribution. Now, let's talk about profits. And this is where the real story lies. Deep Diamond posted a profit before tax of 3.38 crores this quarter, compared to just 0.24 crores in the same quarter last year. That's around 14 times higher. After accounting for taxes of about 0.85 crores, the company reported a net profit of 2.53 crores, compared to just 0.19 crores last year. So, profits are not just higher, they have jumped more than 12 times year on year, proving that the turnaround seen last year is now gaining real momentum. Operating expenses were kept well under control, around 12.86 crores this quarter, which is only a fraction of the revenue. Employee costs were 0.43 crores, finance cost 0.06 crores, and depreciation 0.03 crores, all relatively light compared to the top line. As a result, operating margins came in above 90%, showing the company's strong cost discipline. That's a sharp contrast to previous years when overheads used to consume a much bigger share of income. Cash flow tells a very interesting story this quarter. Despite profits on paper, cash from operations was negative 0.38 crores, mainly due to higher receivables and working capital movements, which is normal when business volume expands quickly. The company generated 0.36 crores from investing activities, showing some returns from earlier investments. Overall, cash at the end of the period stood at 3.31 crores, roughly the same as March, showing liquidity remains comfortable. The earnings per share for this quarter came in at 0.53 rupees, compared to just 0.01 rupees in the June quarter and 0.04 rupees in the same quarter last year. That's more than a 10 times jump in EPS year on year, and a strong indicator that shareholder value creation is improving quarter after quarter. For the half year ending September 2025, total income was 38.4 crores, and profit after tax stood at 2.6 crores, compared to 0.48 crores in the same period last year. The momentum clearly shows that Deep Diamond is transitioning from a low-scale diversified player into a focused, profitable operation. With the company now concentrating on its pharmaceutical business, revenue visibility looks much stronger than before. The fall in borrowings, better margins, and rising reserves all signal that Deep Diamond is preparing for steady long-term growth. Investors will now watch how the company maintains this profitability while scaling up in upcoming quarters. So, overall, Deep Diamond India has delivered an excellent September quarter. Revenue up nearly tenfold, net profit up 12 times, margins expanding, and borrowings reducing quarter by quarter. The shift toward the pharma business seems to be paying off, and the company's next step will be to sustain this growth while improving cash flows. For investors, this looks like the strongest quarter yet for Deep Diamond India, showing a clear turnaround story in motion.